I came up with a formula for the aesthetic of a mixed print garment. For inspiration, I started by putting together a mood board, and the choice of prints, color, and scale is extremely important when you go looking for prints to mix. A good combination calls for a bold geometric animal print. This brings an element of whimsy and fun to the garment. Second, you need to look for a ditzy floral print. This brings an element of fun and joy to the design. And third, you need to find a monochromatic geometric print. This can be in any color, black and white, red and yellow, but it has to pull from two colors that are available inside the prints that you chose. This element will balance out the visual clash that the other two prints are presenting.